Good morning, I'm Crystalline P. Pidimonte from grade 11 HE.
Materials that we needed to make crystal.
First, put the water into a pot. Next, put the pot into a stove. Then, if the water is boiling, put the rock salt and wait until it dissolves. Mix. If the rock salt dissolves, turn off the stove and transfer into a glass. Make a DIY rope like this, then put the rope into a glass, then let wait for 3 to 5 days. Rock salt forms through a process where hot dissolved salt precipitates out of solution, forming cubic crystal.